What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to reset the home screen layout on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So what you want to do is first open up your settings and then scroll down towards general and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you get the transfer or reset iPhone option. So tap on that and then tap on reset. And then you should see the option to reset the home screen layout. So tap on that and then confirm by tapping on reset home screen layout. And that's going to reset the home screen layout of your iPhone 17 or any other iPhone on your device, which is basically means all downloaded apps are going to be arranged in an alphabetically order. So this is how you can reset the layout of your home screen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.